Hello, everyone. How are you doing? Welcome to the weekly SIG Compute meeting. Just one note in advance due to the situation here in Israel. If there are sirens or anything like that, I'd have to stop everything and go to the shelter. So please know that this is what happens if I suddenly disappear. Um, that being said, I see that the agenda is pretty empty. I guess this is because we are just a few days behind the last exception for the code freeze. So I guess it is kind of expected that we will have a short meeting today. So let me throw the ball back to you. Is there anything we would like to talk about? Of course, priorities to everybody that has a web that needs attention. But yeah, if you have any topics, please raise them. Let's see. How are you doing? Let's see. Are you on the call? Can you guys?
Test.
Oh yeah, now
Okay.
now we can hear you.
Great. Okay.
No
Okay.
worries.
So I'm in a situation here. So vGPU live migration web. So Jonathan, who was previously working on it, is he's currently on PTO, and then he's also leaving Red Hat, apparently, like in a couple weeks. So I'm taking over this web right now. Previously, this web had a 7-day extension, so I was wondering, like, due to the situation right now, it would be ideal if you could get this in for 1.8, but given the situation, I might need a few more days to straighten things out. I'm hoping to address all issues that reviewers have raised thus far, plus some more, um, by the end of today. So I'm wondering what is like, what is the hard deadline for basically getting this weapon? Plus I know like the reviewers are also busy with other things, so I don't want to take too many resources.
I say ideally Friday. I think we won't be able to go beyond that.
Okay.
I don't know if Lubo is here. What do you think?
Yeah. Additionally, I think Monday is like a stretch goal, and I think kind of applies here, given the situation, right?
Yes. Okay. I think I can work with Friday, assuming that, no other major concerns are raised.
And as if ping me when you think it needs a review.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Thank you, Asif, and thank you for taking over the implementation. Ali, how are you doing?
Hey, I'm good. Thanks, folks, for reviewing and allowing this cap. It's a bit of a juggle between taking the Kubernetes PR and having something downstream. So having it here is amazing. I just want to have a discussion around one topic that came up in review, which seems like the only big one. The other one seems to be needs that I will address soon. But regarding that, the topic that was linked, um, so the issue that I'm facing with this cap is there are two ways of consuming the files that were generated by the kubelet slash driver, right? One way is to specifically look for each file when we hit the device, And the other way is look at all the files, have it in memory cache, and then when you hit the device, when you need this information, generate the DOM XML for it. So initially the PR was implemented with approach number one, which is we just glob everything in this directory and have it in cache, and then when Word Launcher needs it, it will refer to this cache to generate the DOM XML. However, there was an alternative suggested here, which if you look at the code, the second line says dir name equals to claim name. I think that is a little bit sketchy, because in the case of a resource claim specified by the user, you'll have a predeterministic claim name. But if the claim is generated from the template, then we don't have claim name there. We have template name instead of claim name. So what we, yeah.
Yeah, let me cut you. I think I didn't mean that, specifically this. I just wanted to mean that, I just wanted to say that, that we need to know what we are looking for. That's pretty much it. I mean, when I looked at the globe, it felt that, look, this is too much, it's too broad. I don't know what files can be there. I just thought that, if we're looking for something, let's look for something specific. So I didn't know better, like claim name or template name. Definitely. I mean, I just wanted to focus on something that we by mistake not grab anything that we didn't mean to look, because we already had all kind of weird cases where we expect to find something, and then suddenly something or someone on purpose injects um, some malicious files in these directories. So I'm just
I see.
wondering, yeah, like that was my angle, but I didn't mean that we'll take it one to one.
No, that is the exact discussion. Thanks for clarifying, but that is the exact point where I was going at now. Because in the case of resource claim template, this claim name is generated from the API server. So we don't have a predeterministic name there. So what we have to do is go look at all the files and look at a specific file which has pod claim name matching to our claim name here. So we have to do this glob search in the case of resource claim template. The only uh, thing that we could do to restrict it in the case of resource claim template is have that glob search be on the request name. So the third parameter you have in the glob could be specified, and that could be fixed, but then we do have to search for files that belong to that request name to find out the template for it. I'm not sure if that makes sense, but this particular discussion introduces an interesting gap that we have. So my question would be: would it be okay if we just look for the request name and glob all the um, files with that request name, or does that still not address your concern?
No, I mean it's fine. I think this at this point it's alpha. We don't even have the full implementation yet, so I'll trust you.
Uh, okay. Yeah, at some point I'll capture this as a discussion point for the next release and make sure that this concern is addressed for beta, because we are running into time gap. Um, I want to make sure that your concern here is addressed before we go to beta. So
Yeah,
let's
just
file
to
and
filter it, just to somehow filter it better. Even if we find something that doesn't relate to us, maybe we need to drop it, like some kind of a better filtering, I guess.
Sure. Yeah. Okay. I'll capture that. Thank you.
Thank you, Ali. Any other thoughts about this? So I see this is the end of our agenda. Do we want to discuss about anything else? Alrighty, then as anticipated, it's going to be a quick one. Thank you all for joining and see you next week. Have a great day. Bye bye.